Good day mga katart! We're back here at Eastwood City, Libis, and we're visiting Paeng's Bowling and Billiards Room. Are you looking for a fun activity with your family and friends? Well, look no further. Dito sa Paeng's Bowling and Billiards Room, they're open daily from 10 a.m. up until 2 a.m. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang saya at hindi kayo mabibitin sa paglaro with your family and friends. And good news, dahil Eastwood City Libis ito, you could also bring your pet with you dahil pet-friendly din ang kanilang establishment para kumpleto ang saya ng pamilya kasama ang inyong best buddy. So ang suggestion ko rin sa inyo, dali nyo na ang kabataan dito para malaman nila na bukod sa paglalaro sa gadget ay napakasaya nga din na maglaro ng actual indoor games gaya ng billiards at bowling na talagang magugustuhan nila. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo for that special occasions or simple bonding with the family and friends? Punta na dito!